Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video we are going to discuss like how we use the color picker to pick our color from our web pages. So it's very simple. We just need to go to the Google, then type your color picker extension, and here we go. This is the extension we are going to use. Just click on this and then add to Chrome and add extension. We just need to wait 1 to 2 seconds, and here we go. Our extension is added. We just need to pin this, and now I'm going to go to show you how to use this. You just need to click on this extension and then this icon, and here we go. I want to pick this color. I just drag and drop on this, and I just click on this color, and here we go. I will get the color code and RGB code. You just copy and paste this from here. As if I want some other color, I just need to hover on that color and pick the color code. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye.